Good morning. This morning we're going to be comparing fish and seeing how they are the same and how they are different. Let's get started. Let's compare these three pictures. Look at them closely. Can you point to the picture that is different? Two of these pictures are the same, but one doesn't belong. Go ahead and point to the one that is different. This one. Great job. Now these two are the same. Now let's look at these three. Which one doesn't belong? Two are the same and one is different. Which one is different? Go ahead and point. What color is the one that is different? Yellow. Great job. It's a pufferfish. It's different. Let's get rid of it so the other two are now the same. This one is really tricky. These four images are of the same fish. What kind of fish? That's right, a clownfish. But one of these pictures is different. It doesn't belong. Which picture do I need to delete or get rid of? That's right, this one. Why? What makes it different? That's right, it's bigger. These three are the same size, but this one is bigger. Great job. Now I have these three goldfish. Which goldfish does not belong? Go ahead and point to it. That's right, it's this one. This one is different. How is it different? That's right. It's different because it's darker. It is a more vibrant or brighter orange, and it's also facing a different direction. Great job. Now we have these four fish. Which fish is different? All four fish have a striped pattern, but one is different. Which one? This one, that's right. These stripes are vertical, meaning they go up and down. This fish has stripes that are horizontal or go from side to side. Great work. Now we have these five fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They all have vertical stripes that go from top to bottom, but one of the fishes is different. Can you point to the fish that is different? This one, that's right. What makes it different? That's right, it's upside down. Great job. Let's keep practicing. Look closely at these four goldfish. One of them is different. Can you point to the one that is different? That's right, this one. What makes this one different? Yes, it's upside down. Great job. Now let's look at these fish with their horizontal stripes that go from side to side. Which fish is different? They all look the same, but one is in a different position. Which one doesn't belong? That's right, this one is upside down. Great work. Now we're going to do something a little bit different. Instead of finding the fish that is different, we're going to find the fish that is the same as the fish that is on top. So we're going to find the fish that matches this one from these fish at the bottom. This fish is on top. Which fish in the bottom row is the same? Look closely. Which number fish are you pointing to? 1, 2, 3, or 4? That's right, number 2. Number 2 is the same. Great work. Let's do that same thing again with these fish. We're going to find the fish that is the same as the one on the top. One of the fish in the bottom row is the same as the one on the top. Can you point to the fish that is the same? Look closely. This is a tricky one. That's right, this fish is exactly the same. Great job. This was tricky because this fish is very similar, but it's in the wrong position, which is why it is not the same. Good job. Now let's compare these fish. We're looking for the fish that is the same as the one on the top. Is it fish 1, fish 2, or fish 3? That's right, it's fish 2. They look exactly the same and they are in the same position. They are upside down. Really good work. Before we finish, we're going to read a quick book called Fish, Same and Different. Goldfish and guppies are fish. Where do you find them? They live in ponds and lakes. Other fish live in the ocean. Where else do fish live? That's right, they can live in a fish tank in the classroom. Fish are animals. All animals have basic needs. Fish need food and water. They need space and shelter. They need oxygen too. That's just like us. Fish have so many things in common with us. We said they need oxygen like us, and they also need a place to live just like we do. This says fish have eyes and a mouth on their heads. They have scales, fins, and gills. Do you see them? You can see the scales and the gills right here. They have eyes and a mouth like us, but they don't have a nose like we do. That's different. The eyes and the mouth are the same. Scales, fins, and gills are also something that we don't have. That's how fish are different from us. It says here all fish breathe through gills. Fish breathe oxygen from the water. Do we breathe through gills? No. What do we breathe through? That's right, we breathe through our nose. That is how we are different from fish, but we still breathe oxygen like the fish, and that makes us the same. I hope you enjoyed this story and the activity. Have a great day.